Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite quizzing channel Quiz Whiz. You're here with your host master Priyadarshan Babu, and I'd asked you five interesting questions the last time, and I'm here to give you the answers for the same. And well, along with that, I will also be asking you five interesting new questions. So I hope you're ready for it, and I'll start off with the answers first. So here is question number one for last time. So I'd shown you a picture that said Janssen. All I wanted you to tell me is this is the pharmaceutical arm of which particular entity? And well, the answer for this question is very interesting. It is actually Johnson and Johnson. There was a small hint in the logo itself if you could figure that out. Moving on to question number two for last time. Here goes. Again, you had seen something that looked like a lotus, and you had to tell me which company's logo was this. Well, this may be one of the lesser seen logos of the company, or rather, how we know it, but definitely we all would have used some of the other product of this company at some given point of time or another. The answer that I was looking for is the Pond's Tulip logo. So that was question number two. Moving on to question number three for last time. Here goes. To highlight the new change, they used a slogan which was also embossed on the tubes. We could not improve the product, so we improved the tube. This was in the year 1908. Which entity are we talking about, and what had they introduced? So this is actually, the company is Colgate, and what they improved was they brought in the collapsible tubes which we are used to of today, so we don't have the fixated ones. That brings us to question number question number four for last time. So here it is. If you peel off the label and read the ingredients, there is usually one listed under the drug facts: 100% white petroleum USP. So which is this product that we are talking about? Well, there are very few products that we generally use on a daily basis that have petroleum in it, but this is definitely one of those, and definitely something we use during the winters. So this is the company that we are talking about. The product that we are talking about is Vaseline. And that brings us to our last question for last time. So here goes. In 2017, who has partnered with the Ministry of Textiles to promote the handloom industry? Now, obviously, when I ask this question, many people must be thinking that, oh, it's some big giant or something like that. Well, no, rather to your surprise, it is the fashion app, which is Myntra. And that sums up our questions for yesterday. It's time to move on to the five questions for today. So here is question number one. He became the third Iranian president after Mohammad Khatami and Mahmoud Ahmadinejad to win a presidential victory as an incumbent with an increased electoral mandate. All you have to do is tell me the name of this person. Moving on to question number two for today, here it is. Melania Trump is the second first lady to have been born outside the country, not counting those born in the US territory before the country existed. The first one to be a naturalized citizen, and the first whose native language is not English. So who was the first lady to achieve this particular feat? So that was question number two. Moving on to question number three, here goes. The name to this city is given by a Spanish conquistador by the name Panfilo de Narvaez. This city was founded by the Spanish in 1519 and is the largest city and the leading commercial center in Cuba. So you need to tell me the name of the city. Already plenty of hints in the question itself. Moving on to question number four for today. Here goes. Boris Johnson introduced the new Relay Master buses, a cycle hire scheme, and the Thames cable car, and banned alcohol consumption on much of London's public transport during his tenure as the Mayor of London. Why did he bring in all these structural changes at the time when he was mayor? So why did he do that is what you need to tell me. And that brings us to our last question for today. So here is question number five. DirectPix.com, Replay.com, and other names were considered, So was Luna.com, which was the name of Randolph's dog. When the company was being incorporated, he named it Kibble.com until they could decide on something more permanent. So, how do we know this company now? And we all definitely use the services of this company, and some many more than others, but definitely we all know about this name, and some of you will be shocked to learn the answer after you've heard it. So that sums up our questions for today as well. I will see you tomorrow with the answers of today's questions, and tomorrow I will ask you 5 new questions. So do stay tuned in. Till then, you can try to attempt today's questions. Leave the answers in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. So till tomorrow, please stay safe, take care, good night, and keep quizzing.